We're gonna do this shit right now. This is the part of the show that we like to call crowd surfing on top of a crowd surfer. Now for those that don't fucking know how this goes, let me explain. You got a friend that crowd surfs like normal on top of the crowd. You lay on top of the crowd like this, and then one of your friends stands on top of you like a fucking surfboard and surfs you all the way to these fine gentlemen catching people up at the top. I want to see as many fucking people doing this shit right as possible. It's called City of Ocala.